other than deer wrapped in bacon, bite-sized deer wrapped in bacon. Hey guys, I'm Juna the Orange Huntress, and on my channel, we bring the hunt home and the wild inside. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you're one of my amazing subscribers. You guys are gems. Thanks for all the likes and thanks for all the comments. I love responding to you guys. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite appetizer, bacon-wrapped venison bites. Maybe I love them because they're wrapped in bacon. Maybe I love them because when we share them at parties, they are a hit. It's football season and hunting season right now. So let's get started so you can fill up your recipe playbook. Grab your favorite barbecue sauce, soy sauce, some Worcestershire, garlic and onion powder, pepper, a bit of Sriracha, bacon, toothpicks, and of course some venison. I'm using a round roast today. It does not have a lot of connective tissue in it. It's great for cutting up into steak bites or steak, or even making jerky from it. Be sure to remove all the silver skin from the outside before you cut it into your cubes. And your cubes should be about 1.5 inches in diameter. I used half a teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 cup of Worcestershire and soy sauce, about a teaspoon of Sriracha, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. I mixed it all up and let it sit in my fridge overnight, actually. You can even let it marinate for as little as an hour. When I was ready with my bacon cut up, my toothpicks laid out, my foiled baking sheet with a wire rack on top, this is what happened. So I went to drain these and wrap them last night, and my bacon was bad. I just bought it. Now this is the next morning. Man, the smell coming off these babies, so good. Be sure to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. After I pat the meat dry, I wrapped each individual cube in half a piece of bacon and secured it with a toothpick. This whole recipe made about 37 steak bites, so that is pretty awesome. Bake them for 10 to 12 minutes, broil them for 1 to 2 to make the bacon crispy, pull them out and pop on some barbecue sauce. Then broil them again for about another 1.5 minutes. You want to flip them over so then you can crisp up the bottom of the bacon. That should be about another 1 minute or 2. And here they are. Who's hungry now? I hope you and yours enjoyed these venison bites. Leave me a comment down below if this appy scored a touchdown at your party. Maybe it sacked some of the competition or turned over a tough crowd. Whatever the case may be, stay tuned over the next few months because I'm going to bring more venison appies to you to impress your guests at your Grey Cup party. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next Wednesday.